Horrifying incident coming to light from Odisha of at least 18 young athletes participating in the National School Wrestling Championship in Uttar Pradesh, forced to travel in horrible, inhumane conditions due to the negligence of the State Department. This contingent of 10 boys and 8 girls was sent to the national level event without confirmed railway tickets. What did that mean? They had to travel sitting near the train washrooms in the biting winter cold. Serious concerns over their safety, health and dignity that was raised. And this is another reflection of our reality, of how much importance we really give to our sporting heroes. Despite growing public anger and demands for answers, the department responsible here has not issued any statement, any clarification of why something like this was allowed to happen. Young boys and girls, the future of our country, who will represent our country in sporting events, are treated in this manner. With zero investment being put into sporting infrastructure, with this kind of treatment being meted out to our sports people, to youngsters who are still looking into entering the profession, why would anyone do it? Why would they pursue their passion? This is how they were forced to travel in the biting cold next to the washroom in the train. Let's take this across to Anirban for more details. Shocking images, this, Anirban, and really, as I said, reflects the reality of how our sports people are treated. The State Department here that was responsible of ensuring adequate arrangements, of just ensuring a basic train ticket. Have they responded to this?
No, not yet. We have tried, contacted them, but they have not responded yet. But it's a shocking thing as the government, the central government as well, is giving so many schemes for the sports and for the budding sports personalities and the athletes. As we know that there is top scheme as well as there is many such schemes which was introduced already by the central government. But still, there is a question mark that though it's a Odisha government and it's BJP running state, but still we have seen that 18 children, 18 athletes from the school, those who were going to UP for participation in the wrestling championship, school national wrestling championship, where there are 8 girls as well, but all the 18, all of them have to travel in a general bogie as well as just beside the toilet. So it's a very shocking revelation coming in from Odisha, and we have contacted the education department as well as the welfare department, those who handle these sports and all these kind of activities, the co-curriculum activities, but they have not responded yet. So right now the question arises, as Odisha government has favored...
It's shameful at this point that this is how sports people are being treated. They're the future. Let's be very clear that these people, these boys and girls are the future. They're the ones who will represent our country going forward in sport. And this is how we're treating them. Shameful for every one of us. Listen in to what the family had to say.
ये सब बच्चे जो गए थे, उन लोगों का ट्रेन टिकट ना आने का ना जाने का कोई भी टिकट कंफर्म नहीं हुआ था। ये बच्चे लोग दूसरों के सीट में बैठ के गए थे और लास्ट में उन लोगों को वहीं से खेदा भी गया है और एक सीट में 2 जन, 3 जन, 4 जन, 5 जन ऐसा करके गए हैं। ये तो जाने का ये था। उन लोगों ने हमको बताया भी नहीं कि ये जो टिकट काटा गया है ये सब मतलब कंफर्म हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है। हम लोग जब ट्रेन में चढ़े उस टाइम उन लोगों ने बोला कि टिकट कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है। तो फिर हम लोग वहाँ पहुँचे, वहाँ पहुँच के मैच ख़त्म हुआ, हम लोग फिर निकले वहाँ से 13 तारीख को जब निकले वहाँ से आने का टिकट भी कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है। आने का टिकट कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है तो एक टिकट भी कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है कि बच्चे लोग किसी में बैठ के भी जा सकें। सब बच्चे लड़के लोग एक साइड में बैठे हैं, लेट्रिन की साइड में, लड़कियां भी लेट्रिन की साइड में बैठ के गए हैं। ये सब का वीडियो विजुअल भी मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग किया।